Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can cancel transaction in Xoom. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's start. So to do so, make sure you have installed the app, and now go ahead, tap on the Xoom app. Make sure you are also signed in your PayPal and you're logged in as well in the Xoom itself. Once you have logged in your Xoom, you're going to go to the home section, and from over there you're going to direct yourself to activity list. As soon as you reach the activity list, you will be able to find the section of select the transaction you would like to cancel. Once you selected the transaction you would like to cancel, you simply have to tap on the cancel icon given beside it, and you have to confirm the pop-up window, and you are good to go. Your cancellation will be proceeding and you will receive the refund as well. Now the one thing is crucial that you have to make sure to cancel a transaction is that it has to be in the process itself. If the transaction has been done, you cannot get refunded, and transaction cannot be cancelled as well, because it already has gone through. So make sure it's processing, and that is how you do it. And if you still cannot do it, if the transaction has been done and you still need to cancel and get the refund, contact your PayPal support itself. They will help you out. That is basically it. So I hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in our next video.